expecting. It looked way worse when the one side was only done.
Welcome back to another video, and as you can see behind me, we are back at our tower, and in this video we are gonna do one of the final steps, which is staining it. But before we get to that, we actually have a bit more work we have to do. Preferably I would like to have it all covered in wood, but we are running out of time, and today is the last day where we can stain it since it's 10 degrees. But I think we still can do, time-wise, the very top triangle of the roof, and that is also pretty important to get stained since I think it's pretty exposed to weather. So let's get the wood, cut it up, put it up fast, and then get to staining.
So as you can see, that's what we have achieved. Maybe it's not the best, but it kind of looks good. And we don't really have time to be messing around and trying to find a good design. So if we ever want, it's only on 2 screws each wood, so we can come back and just take them off and redo something a bit better. But for now, it's definitely gonna help and keep anything getting in there. And yeah, it's definitely needed. And today we need to stain it, so we really have to hurry up, finish the other side, and quickly get on with all the paintings and stainings and everything.
Yeah, because we might have some change of plans.
Yeah, we definitely had some new ideas, so we'll see.
We'll see. But I think it looks pretty cute. Let's see how it looks with the other side, because I think that's when it's gonna really
now it's
show
like
it.
the one side.
Yeah.
If you like it, then you can subscribe. Oh, I nearly went downstairs the quick way. That turned out a lot better than I expected.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I was expecting it looked way worse when the one side was only done. Wow.
And all of that in 2 hours.
It looks epic.
Looks good, no?
Oh, it definitely turned out a lot better than I expected.
It looks amazing. I was scared, honestly, at the start. Like, I was like, how is that gonna look? But trust the process, it just looks really cool.
Still a bit more work left to do, but it looks pretty close to being amazing.
So now that we are done with the top piece, we actually wanted to do something really quick just to seal it up. But as I said, I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. Let us know what you think in the comments. And yeah, David said if we would make it all straight, like imagine all of it straight, it would look like a bowl cut. Now it kind of adds like this nice, like kind of like curtain look, or when a girl has like the hair a bit going front. I think it turned out amazing for like a very quick work. But in this video, we changed some things up. We were supposed to stain this whole building, but the top took a bit longer. And while we were making it, I was doing some changes on the look of it. So I came to the conclusion to paint the bottom of the box, like the one that goes up, to stain it white. And then I was thinking also the top to do white, like the one that looks like a curtain, like the top roof. But this one I am afraid that if we do it white, there's a lot of water splashing on it, or I don't know, I think it's gonna get dirty really fast, and then you have to maintain it really often, which means you have to go up there quite often and repaint it. So we stick to the idea of painting just the bottom. Another idea was to paint the whole front, but with that as well, I'm really scared how that is gonna pop. And again, we'll have to paint it quite often. And as we decided, we're just gonna do the bottom, and that is gonna separate kind of the bottom floor with a bay window, and it's gonna kind of lift it up and make it more 3D, because from far away you cannot really tell that it's a bay window, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's now paint the bottom of the bay window white, and hopefully it's gonna look good, and I'm not gonna hate that decision later on. So as you can see, we have finished the bottom, and I think it looks alright. I mean, we cannot really tell how it's gonna look with a darker stainer, but the reason why I wanted that to make it white as well is because it's anyways dark, so I feel like if we had the dark stainer it would be too dark. So I don't know, I just thought it was gonna be a cool white accent. Anyways, as I said, around the windows we're gonna put some white. accents and beauty. Don't know if we're gonna make it for this year or we're gonna be doing that in spring, but in theory we could paint them in the barn in proper temperatures and bring them and attach them outside. So yeah, might be doable still this year. So we did not really get to stay in the building. All we did was, you know, beautiful work upstairs, and that in theory was the last proper day. Tomorrow and the day after, it's still temperature wise fine. We just gotta pray and hope that it does not rain, because that would be the only thing that could stop us. So if tomorrow is good, you'll see tomorrow's video is gonna be staining. Otherwise we'll have to do some work inside and then get back outside. Hopefully weather holds and we're gonna be able to stain it. Well, we have to, no matter, but let's hope tomorrow is the day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we're gonna see you tomorrow in the next one. And Pibus arrived.